She said
Were you
that.
too good?
Yes.
She said they were very good.
Okay.
Mama,
But I guess they've earned
where's
their
our
time.
camera?
Look,
Where's our...
me and Daddy, sit down there.
Is this mine?
Liz, no. Becca, go sit down on the couch. Mom and Daddy bought you. I think you're gonna like this one more.
Which one?
The one that's in the bag. If you don't, I think it's the one you're gonna like the most. Alright. See, this one is yours.
The purple one?
Yeah, go Becca. Just because you're so good at school, okay?
Okay, which one's mine?
In the bag.
There you go.
Ooh, do you like it, Z?
I know. She loves puzzles.
Come on, Becca, tear it open. See what you got.
Z has this.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she does. We already have this.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, we already have it. Oh,
Huh.
Becca, she doesn't have one like that. I thought we didn't have it.
yes, we do. We have that already.
Well, you don't like it then?
What about if both of you each have one?
See, I think that's Z's, isn't it? Or is that Becca's?
I don't know. Open.
No, that one's Z's. Where's Becca's other one?
Okay, go get it. Daddy's gonna get the other one. Okay.
Okay.
But I thought you would like it because it's blue.
Yes, I like it. We just already have one.
Well, but at least both of you would have the same. Is that Z's?
What?
Is that Z's?
Which one? This?
Yeah. Oh, Z, that's for you too. Oh, here comes yours, Becca.
Aww. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a basset town.
It is a basset hound.
They got that. Hi. Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
What's its name?
Well, her name was Callie, but if you want to give her a new name, you can.
I like Becca?
Mrs. Floppy Face. Hi, Mrs.
Pet
Floppy.
her. Pet her.
Go get her.
Hi, Mrs. Floppy Face. Oh. I'm hungry, Daddy.
Okay, you want to pet the puppy?
Becca,
What?
is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Yes?
Be careful, don't jump on her.
Oh. Oh.
Look, she likes you.
Hi, Mrs. Floppy Face.
All right, Becca. You like it?
Yeah.
Give her a hug.
Pick her up.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Don't be afraid of her.
I'm Daddy. Come here.
That's your new dog.
Oh.
But I gave her a new name.
Okay.
She's.
Hold her. Pick her up. You happy?
Yeah.
Sit down with her because you apparently are going to drop her.
Becca, you love her?
Yeah. Daddy.
Yeah.
Is that what you dream of?
Okay.
I just want
Huh?
a dog.
So is she soft?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yes.